Today we're exploring a new feature in iPadOS 26 called Auto-categorise, built right into app reminders. Here's the idea. Instead of wasting time setting up sections for your tasks, Auto-categorise does the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is type out your tasks in a simple list. That's it. No sections, no categories, just a plain list. Once you're done, tap the three dots icon at the top. In that menu, you'll see an option to automatically organize your list. Give it a tap, and your tasks are sorted into neat sections. Of course, it's not flawless. Sometimes you want to drag a task to a different section, or rename a category to fit your style. But even then, it's much faster than creating everything manually from scratch. Think of it as your jumpstart instead of starting on a blank canvas. And here's my favorite part. When you turn on Auto-categorize for your list, every new task you add later is automatically placed into the right category. No extra work on your part. So if you're someone who finds setting up task lists overwhelming, this feature is here to save you loads of time and mental effort. Just focus on writing your tasks down and let app reminders do the organizing.